Alright, this is probably one of the best tools I've ever bought. It's a vacuum pump made to evacuate oil, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, things like that. I use it all the time on transmissions, especially before I drop the pan so they don't make a mess. Basically, it has a dome style container, holds the fluid, and a pump right here, a hand pump. It's got a leather seal in here, so it works pretty good. Have two different size hoses. This is the small hose. You can go down a dipstick tube with it. I've pumped out rear ends before, rear axles, using the bigger hose because the fluid's thicker. So basically all you do, take your hose, make sure it's clean. So we'll evacuate this power steering pump right quick and change the fluid in it. So we'll put the hose down in there in the lowest point. You can look right in there. So we'll put the hose down in there. Then over here on the pump, we'll just pump it maybe about 20 times or so. You can see the fluid moving in. If you look right back up here, look down in there, you can see the fluid going down, and all you do is wait for air bubbles. So you can walk away if this is a transmission, just walk away and it'll start pumping out, sucking the fluid out, and then when you see air bubbles, it's pretty much done. So continue watching in here. You pump it a few more times. Fluid's a little bit cold today. And there's the air bubbles. Now we're pretty much done pumping the fluid out. Put the hose back here. And we'll just add some new fluid. And we're done. Okay. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And remember, don't be destructive. Fix, repair, create. Make the world better.